Cunninghams Gap, the descent does have some emergency arrestor beds available.
It does.
We've just cleared the project site, Bill, and there's another overtaking lane we're approaching, and there is an arrestor bed coming up.
So
that is available to heavy vehicles to use in the event that they are unable to come to a complete stop.
Yes.
So there is signage for that arrestor bed. It's about 1.5 kilometres approximately from the bottom of the project site. Is there anything heavy vehicles can do if they find themselves that they're unable to stop to warn other motorists about what's going on?
Look, you can hit your horns, hit your lights, put your overside lights on if you've got those, the flashing overside lights. You can engage them as well. Panic, you will panic. The main thing is try not to panic, but you will panic. You're going down too fast, you put your foot on the brakes, nothing's happening, so you will panic. So you've got to try and straighten out the corners and try and make it to the arrestor bed. So, what do you do? Probably in a straight line like this, you've got a barrier on your left-hand side, you can probably rub up against it, try and wash a bit of speed off. Sound your horns, flash your lights, put your lights in high beam. It's about all you can do. And when you're using your brakes, don't keep your brakes applied. Don't feather your brakes. Either apply your brakes and let your brakes cool down. Apply your brakes, let your brakes cool down. Don't keep your foot on the brakes; it generates more heat. So you need to sort of dab your brakes. If that makes sense.